You are going to love the 2025 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.